Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Valentina and today I will show you how to create simple flowers in watercolor step by step. We only need watercolor paints, brushes, a glass of clean water and paper. It will be an easy and fast watercolor painting of flowers. So moisten the paints and a sheet of paper with water and we begin. First, let's put some random spots on the sheet with maroon paint. And while they are not dry, draw pink petals, removing excess color with a brush. To make the drawing more colorful, we do not draw all the shapes of the buds the same way. Each flower will be different from the other in color and size. I will have pink, yellow and blue buds. I believe the best color combination is when you use both cool and warm shades in your work. If you want to see your flowers in more subtle shades, remove excess pigment with a clean, dry brush, like this. When the flower buds are marked and while they are not dry, we take a denser and richer color, for example dark purple or burgundy, and carefully add it here, in those places where our first spots were. Now take a thin brush to add green stems and leaves. For fine lines, we use the thinnest brush, but for leaves, it will be better if we take a thicker and rounder brush. Here too, you can add cold or warm shades to the green color to make the picture more colorful and harmonious. I really love wildflowers. They are delicate, refined, and remind me of my childhood, which I spent living in the village. Please write in the comments what flowers do you like. I use 100% cotton watercolor paper. Unlike cellulose paper, cotton paper has one significant difference. When drying, watercolor paints fade and the pigment is no longer saturated. So here I'll once again use a dark burgundy color to give our flowers more contrast and brightness. Add a little color to the center of the buds and petals. I see that the center of our composition is shifted downwards, and to make everything look harmonious and balanced, I will add more flowers to the top of the sheet. In my opinion, it turned out to be a beautiful floral watercolor, and at the same time very quickly, we painted it in just 20 minutes. I hope inspired by this video, you will be able to draw your own spring flowers. Write to me about it in the comments. If you want to share your work on Instagram, tag me Fedorovava. I will be glad to meet you and appreciate your work. Thank you for your attention and see you soon.